Hello everyone, I am Pooja Rajmane. I am your computer teacher. We will see our lesson number 1. Lesson name is Computer, a Machine. Before start this chapter, firstly open your computer textbook, page number 5. Our lesson name is Computer, a Machine. Firstly we will see computer and its parts. What is this? Anyone can tell? Okay. These all together is called computer. In that it is monitor. It is CPU. CPU is stand on Central Processing Unit. It is also called as a brain of computer. What we are doing in computer, it is stored in CPU. That's why CPU is called as a brain of computer. This is mouse and this is keyboard. This is keyboard. These are 4 main parts of computer. Now we will see our lesson number 1, computer, a machine. Now anyone can tell what is meant by machine? Anyone can tell? No. Okay. Computer is an machine. These are some machines. This is computer. Now we will see. This is computer. This is fridge. This is mixer, cycle, fan, mobile, calculator, camera, car. These are all machines. These are all machines. Machines are 2 types. Machines are man-made. Machines are man-made. Which thing is made by man, it is called machine. Then there are so many things that we can see. These are natural. Then what do you mean by natural things? The things which is made by God is called natural things. Understand? Things are 2 types, man-made things and natural things. Man-made things is called machines and natural things is made by God. There is no factory of these things. Means we cannot make these things. Which are the natural things? First is sun. Sun is a natural thing or man-made thing? There is a factory of sun. There is a copy of sun. No. There is only one sun. That's why it is called as a natural things. These are vegetables. Vegetables are also natural things. Then animals like cow, birds, fish, ducks. These are also natural things. Why it is called as a natural things? Yes, good. Because these things are made by God. We cannot copy of these things. That's why it is called as a natural things. Natural things are made by good God. This nature, this tree, these are also natural things. Then these are the natural things are there. Then why man invented the machine? Because machine help us to work faster and easier. If we want to some work without machines also we can do. But if machine is there, we can do this work fast as well as easier, in easier way. That's why man created a machines. we must think why man use these machines. Okay, we will see the example. This woman is cutting the carrot, okay, by using knife. By using knife also she can cut the carrot. But if for cutting the carrot, instead of using the knife, if she used the food processor, then which work will be fast? We want to cut the carrot only. By using knife also we can cut, but instead of using the knife, if we use the food processor, that time we will do our work faster and without any mistake. There is no chance to does any mistake. If we are cutting using knife, then there is a chance to cut our finger or anywhere. But if we are using the food processor, there is no chance to harm ourselves, and it is work very fast as compared to knife. If we are using the machine, then there is a minimum chance to get mistake. We will see another example. How many seasons are there? Tell me first. How many seasons are there? 3. Good. Which are they? Summer, winter and rainy. In that 3 season, which season is hot season? Yes, good. Summer is hot season. When summer is going on, there is a hot. Then that time we need some cold air. Some cold air. This boy is using a handmade fan for cold air. Instead of using the handmade fan, if he start the fan, then which is work fast? Yes, fan is work fast. This boy have hold the fan in his one hand. Then if he want to do any work, he have to use only one hand. Then it is easy to work? No, it is not easy to work. But instead of this handmade fan, if he use the electric fan, then by using this both hand he can do whatever he want. That's why it's called as a machines are make our work faster and easier. Machines are faster and make our work easier. By using machine we can do our work easier and faster also. But machines are also 2 types, manual machines and electrical machines. Which are the manual machines and which are the electronic machines? Which machine require to work man force? Means for working this machine it requires a man. Without man it cannot work. It is called as a manual machine. For example, we will see the calculator. If I want to add 2 numbers, then firstly I have to press the 3, then addition button and then 2. Firstly I have to click the 3, then addition button and then 3, then what answer will become? 6. But if I want to do continuously calculation, if I want to do continuously addition, subtraction, then I must have to sit in front of calculator. If one man or anyone is not in front of calculator, then calculator can work? No, calculator does not work. Then another one example is bicycle. Why we are using the bicycle? Yes, for coming to school, for going to tuition, we are using the bicycle. But if I want to go for class, if I want to go for class from my home, if I am not sitting on this bicycle, then bicycle can automatically go? No, bicycle cannot go automatically. It requires a manpower. In front of this bicycle, we must have to need one man. If man is not there, then it cannot work. These are machine, but it requires a man. Next is a stitching machine. What is this? Stitching machine. If I want to stitch a shirt, if I want to stitch a shirt, and I must have to sit in front of the stitching machine. Stitching machine help us, but when I sit in front of the stitching machine, then and there stitching machine help us. Next is cart yard. It is used to carry heavy materials. It is useful to us, but when we are carrying this, then it is useful to us. We must have to give our force, give manual force to that machine, then and then it will work. That's why these machines are called as a manual machines. Why it is called as a manual machines? Because if manpower is not there, these machines will not work. These machines will not work automatically. That's why these machines are called manual machines. And which another parts of the machine is electronic machine. Why it is called as an electronic machine? Because it is work on electricity. First part of the machine, what we was see? We was see manual machines. For that we require a manpower. Same for electronic machine. If electricity is not there, these machines will not work. If sometime manpower is not there, then it will be work automatically. But electricity is not there, then it will not work. We will take one example. Everyone like to watch TV. What you like? Cartoons. Good. If we are watching the cartoons and we having some work, that's why we went to kitchen. Then TV can stop automatically. If no one is in front of TV, then TV can stop automatically? No, TV cannot stop automatically. TV will start continuously. When we start one time only TV, then it will start automatically. Does not require any manpower. Next, washing machine. By using hand also we can wash our clothes, but for do our work easy, we are using the washing machine. Right? When we start the washing machine, that time only washing machine require a manpower. After that, we go here, there, then washing machine can stop. No, washing machine will not stop. It will work continuously. That's why, but if electricity is not there, then washing machine can work? No. If manpower is not there, then washing machine can work. It requires only one time one manpower. But if electricity is not there, then washing machine can work? No, it does not work. That's why this machine is called as a good electronic machine. Next is a refrigerator. Next is a refrigerator. Next is, what is this? Good, fan. What is this? Fan. Next, what is this? AC. AC means what? Air condition. Next is mobile. What is this? Mobile phone. These are all electronic machines. And why we are called as electronic machines? Because for working of this machine, it does not require, or it requires little bit of manpower, but it requires mainly electricity. That's why it is called as a electronic machine. Machine which require the electricity to work are called electronic machine. And these are some pictures of electronic machines. Next, what is the use of these machines or these electronic machines? What is this? What is this? Television, right? We will call that TV. We will call this TV. What is the use of television? Why we are using the television? Yes, for watching, for entertainment, for listening music. Means what is the use of this television? It provides us entertainment. If we want to entertainment ourselves, and if nobody is there for playing to us, then we are using the television. Next, a refrigerator. What is this? Refrigerator. We also call as a fridge. What is this? A refrigerator. Then what is the use of this refrigerator? Why we are using the fridge? Yes, for storing milk, our vegetables. Good. It is used for prevention of food. It is used for preservation of food. It stores our food for longer as fresh. It is used for preservation of food. It stores as it is our food. Next, what is this? Good. Washing machine. What is the use of washing machine? Yes, good. For washing the clothes. Good. It helps to wash dirty clothes. It helps to wash dirty clothes. Next, what is this? Mixer grinder. What is the use of mixer grinder? For cutting. Then if you want to make a juice, then also we are using this mixer grinder. Means what is this? It helps in cooking. It helps in cooking. Mixer grinder helps in cooking. Nice. Everyone know this? What is this? Good. Mobile phone. What is this? Mobile phone. Then what is the use of mobile phone? Why you are using the mobile phone? Yes, for talking, for playing game, then for watching the movies. Good. It helps us to communicate with our friends and relatives. Why we are using the mobile phone? Mobile phone is help us to communicate with our friends and relatives. If our friends or relative is not in our home, and if we want to talk to that friend or relative, then we are using the mobile phone. If he or she not with us, then also we can talk with our friend or relatives. Next, what is this? Right, air condition. We also call as the AC, air condition. What is the use of this AC? it helps us to keep the air cool. Now only I told why we are using the fan and when we are using the fan. When we are using the fan? Good, mostly in summer. Why we are using the fan? For cold air or for cool air. For cool air we using the fan also, and for if you want to more cool air then we are using the AC, means air condition. Okay, these are some electronic machines. Which are they? Television, refrigerator, washing machine, mixer grinder, mobile phone, air condition. But this is not enough. There are also so many things which we can see at our home also. Which are they? This is homework for you. You have to identify these electronic machines. Which are the electronic machines? You have to identify these machines and write this machine in our computer notebook. Okay? Then which are the electronic machines? Which machine is required electricity? This machine is called electronic machine. Then which machines are there? Which machines? Our cooler is there, then motor is there, so many machines are there. These are the electronic machines. Identify these machines and then write in your notebook. Now we will see our lesson means main things of this lesson, a computer. Computer is also machine. Then anyone can tell computer is a man-made machine or electronic machine? Which type of machine computer is? Man-made? No. Computer is not man-made machine. Computer is electronic machine. Why it is called as electronic machine? Because it works on the electricity like a electric machine. That's why it is called as a electronic machine. Computer work on the electricity. That's why it is called as a electronic machine. And why we are using this computer? Without computer we cannot work. Yes, without computer also we can work. But why we are using machine? For do our work faster and easier. We are using the machines, and computer can do many work. Like if I want to add numbers, then what will I use? Calculator. Right? Calculator can add only, subtract only. If I want to listen music, then what will I use? I use mobile phone or TV. But if I want to calculate also, if I want to listen music also, if I want to watch movies also, then only one computer can do different things. By using computer we can calculate also, we can type also, we can watch movies also, we can listen music. Means why we are using the computer? Because computer is help us to do our work faster and quicker and easier. It save our time without wasting any energy. Computer save our time without wasting any energy. The computer is, however, different from the other machine. What I told, computer is different from other machine because other machines can only do one type of work. I told now only, right now? Calculator do only calculation, mobile phone is useful for only communication. Then washing machine can do only washing the clothes also. only washing the clothes. But computer can do different things. Which things are there? Whereas the computer can do different type of work like storing information. Computer can store information also. Mathematical calculation. If I want to do addition, subtraction or whatever division, then by using the computer we can do. Yes, by using computer we can do. We can do typing also in computer and many more activities like, yes, good, nice, playing game, next watching movies. Then for communication also we use the computer. If I want to do communicate with our friend or family, then also we are using the computer. Then what we was saw in this lesson, we was saw the what is meant by machine. The man-made things are called as the machines and natural things are made by God. Good. And computer is the machines are also two types, which are the manual machines and electronic machines. Manual machines require manpower to work and electronic machine require electricity to work. Then computer is also machine, but which type of machine computer is? Computer is an electronic machine. Why it is called as an electronic machine? Because it runs on the electricity. That's why it is called as an electronic machine. And computer also having a different parts. Which parts are there? Monitor, CPU, keyboard and mouse. These are four main parts of computer. Computer is also having another parts, but these are four main parts. And what is the homework for you? You have to find out the electronic machine at your home, from your home only. No need to go here and there. You have to find out from your home only. You have to find out electronic machines and write down these names of these machines in your computer notebook. Okay? Thank you.